Hello, linge kamsang ngan chu channel to kyat to pheo de nge ka su shigi kisi thama thangbo phecho do chal de na tastle nge ming na kizum sigi ani kisi lenge su so pheke na ne inji jangai de boy jo do che ani inji thoma do jange do ji yana phama su so pu chung chung ne inji do lap ki na ngan chu channel to inji subscribe chu na share ra kan ngan chu den do ta pa den de inji le lo chi ne khande lap thu gre jang thu gre le ta nyen tung stang de bo re plus tharengi nyen tung de na la ngi gi thanda inji na ngan chu confusing words le ro chik daw daw in yo yamna thenda gi chane daw daw in yo yamna thaja gi chane yamna pronunciation dadang gi chane daw daw din de chik mangbu yo ro dinang gi chik chup right 10 confusing English words na ni digi ko ni nyen tung so ne henge so la de shi chik jat na pije di phengre do distance ra la so ani mutin siruna la so ta man so chik thangbo do do ni di khari na lodang gi chane do do LOSE loose loose the single o the la double o ni ga la loose le no re ne thunda dis khaga yorwa LOSE loose le di khare shorwa ni chamu chi chura shorwa manjo chemu to che chik dendu to na manjo shorgo do I don't want to lose le du nga shongi thu mindu le jo ti shorwa de re ta double o chi yo lose chi do te khare manjo luk da luk le ja luk nan chura luk kudung de nga la pe luk du le jo ra o de luk de ni ge de la pe jo ki chunje la jo ba khandi thi na I don't want to lose this competition nga di dendu ti shongi thu mindu le jo ra tene o ni chi do gi lose chi ra I like to wear loose shirts kare I like to wear loose shirts de nga unju luk den de khya ka bu yes that's the loose and loose this is clear okay now we'll move on to second confusing English words right ni padinda THERE there THEIR there pronunciation chikpa dadam chikpa there ine thunda dikharwa THERE there le dikhare phage le ja hanjo phage la dwa here de la there phage le ja here de phana le dirwa parla nan chindra THEIR there le samukhare konzo kire le jura konzure di nyugo di surele di nyugo di konzure le ja o di der di EIR direction to the ERE laso ta there are many nuns in our kumba manche ke kumba na ani pe mangbuyo re le jura ti der di thir ra ERE di the THEIR there the quality mani their sister is very nice their sister is very nice the suppose Tenzin and Roma they are cousins ra kuni cousin okay kuni sibling in bachajish phamaji ki pinja in bachajish to khorani la khare aja chiorda ra and their sister is very nice kuni ki aja dikhar to pe abu le jwa this is number second ta sumba dikhare THA and then 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 lodani ga then ta THA and then le jwa dikhare manjo le ture jwa khole mo le jwa dire THE and then le sto ile thuzo dongor manjo kecha shedi somora thangbo nga phai joi ani nga phala joi ani nga dichi ani le chich do wodila manjo khare then tani de ani le rang chindra ani le dijela le de khobor dera then chin jabana manjo for example she is better than me mo ngele thaga yore yaga yore thaga yore le jera THAN then that THEN then ani le thuze de na de khande thire I woke up in the morning ma shopaya lines and then brushed my teeth and then brushed ra an thine nga khachi tene ma so tu na di ani la di e t and then t and then the ting mare. Okay, now let's move on to number 4. Number 4 tila TO2 niga 2 TO2 le dikhare la. Where are you going? Wala drain leja. I am going to market. Wala drain market la drain le TO2. The TO2 le dithna ni dimir. Chi khare dimire pe mambu. Pe mambu. There are way too many people there. Phagela me pe mambu du leja. Too many. Too le samulodi. Mambu le chi dimire. Chi khare dimire yang ngayang rata. I'm going to market lera. Doma yinga ler. I'm going to market ler. The wrong market ler. Tom na join it. Ye khare. Me too. Ngayang join. Yang le TOO2. Okay. Now next is number 5. ITS. Niga it's tiga. Kebar di kwalere. The apostrophe tiga. Kanga nganzo. Tini indi chikti. Wala tina comma che, gang tina apostrophe lera, apostrophe do thango dela. Apostrophe di khali chungo na chiki chungo ra, contraction ya du schedule ra, khali dire it is the doing also apostrophe jagi khali chere it's ta it jela apostrophe me do sto di khatu khare it's it's it is le du it's an apostrophe to the it is toward the right. It is a pen. It is a pen. The pen related. Could do ni khachere. It's a pen. Right? Okay. It's ledi the ledi kogor. Right? It's my pen. The sugire the nyegire la what to do the ledger. Jana rang so it's apostrophe the tigre one time the wine sugire nyegire ledger. Di keja the shudi sambula so khachile apostrophe medo the tir. It's my pen. The nyegi pen ledger. Okay. Then number 6. Whose? And the apostrophe yo, the apostrophe medo. Apostrophe yo whose chikwa. The khachile WHO. Who is? Who is the doing culture? Whose? Who is he? Who is he? Kosure. Who's he? Who is he? Who's he? Kosure. Lejura. The whole. Right? Whose let us put the young one and the word there was. Whose pen is this? This sugi pen re. Right? It is my pen. It is my pen. Whose pen is this? This sugi pen re. It is my pen. It's my pen. Right? Okay, the clear check. Then number 7, the much and many. The much the many the mambuchi in the 2 dollar. Much the many niga harepe mambo led the one. Niga into the cheapest ra mambo ledi. Taine Pujish in Kawachele. Much led the career manzo. Tama gabe make you uncountable noun. Tama gabe make you penetration. I like muffins very much. Muffin and the cupcake chili dwara now the big go you let us put the kazu go you at the tana gabe mara or the kari gabe manzo very much. Then many let you mambo labora. There are many people in here. There are me pe mambudu. The me the kamadina me and manzo me pe mambudu lane ne tangash the tegira or the manzo kari gabe many. Okay. Next is accept and accept. ACCEPT accept ledger. The Garanzo Kilenche, Molenche jura. Molenche Badelera. I accept your invitation for the party. Nigi Chirangi party ki chedula Joshotan Yudini Kilenchibo, Molenchibo, Yungi ledger. Tidumanzo ACCEPT accept. The EXCEPT accept ledger. Except let the calore Samana chick danger, comma top leisure and so what the Tazadi Gondanimato Dustisha in the rat. Everyone was present except Doma. Correct Tama Pagila Tuto de Lesos except Doma Doma Mado Shimatama Leso leisure Tidimanzo except Tigdera. So next is advice and advice. Niga advice che difference the quality re chik advice C re chik advice S re. Right? Advice C in your advice C in you the re ko. Yeah, advice niga thunda kare lapcha. Right. C the kare lapcha ki thanda minchik re. Minchik che S you the kare chachik. Let's advice let's see the minchik lapcha minchik ra country do na ngakola ngala lapcha chik nang sung leisure ra indi do chik la this okay ngala lapcha chik go to ngala lapcha jamye chik go yu la do the lapcha le minchik la thuju chore jina ma to see the thire kana I need some advice ngala lapcha go to leisure ra ngatha thanda I'm so confused in my life right now ra ngathanda ngara mi chana be confused in leisure ra I need some advice Rangala, lapcha jangi khashe go to lapcha go to leisure ra. So that ADVISE advice leisure ra chaching ramanzo. She advised me to have more patience. Kare mogi ngala lapcha gesung sra. Kare lapcha gere sobatis mama gom leisure ra. Diga lapcha gesung la di manzo ST ra ko chachi lapcha china ra lapcha gyab ra. Dice ta manzo taringi taman di khaza manzo nyendo singye chi chen gyoshe ra either the neither ni la ji khabar ji sheda la ni ra so ta either leisure ra option ni nang ni chik ni leisure ra one of the two la khale re manzo either gyur ra neither la du none of the two ni ga mena neither ni ga na ni chik ni na either Right, it has not been easy for either of us. It has not been easy for either of us. Dikhare ngarangi suchi layang chedu dile how chik chungmasta leisure right. Thidi manzo either. Right? Then neither le dikhare manzo nikala main bachyo right. Neither of us know who he is. Neither of us know who he is. Right? Ngarangi na suganji ko suimba hakugu me leisure oh dire la so tarinki nyindung video dinang la ni 10 confusing English words ki thola ta share the diran sam yel hingi so gi dinane khashes chida seujik chayo ni rewa chigi ye an kisi seu chamewa che yanga jama nyindung khande roji korla ji sigde yone re ani shamba kecha kharishe woine inji chen comment section na chen gyuru na an tharingi nyindung de khande roji chungso de ngala chen gi section na jik sungru na ani thanda bodo nyamdo shu motuni chapter na wa de la katin che shu yi jama ya nyindung chinala goni manzo yang je ye thangi samal rewa chigi ye ani mape nya la kisi subscribe chigi na please consider subscribing to our channel because we try to come up with these kind of videos where I teach you English in Tibetan, so it would mean a lot to me if you guys consider subscribing to our channel. So thank you.